Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look with a braid out. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm starting off on freshly washed and completely dry and stretched hair. I part my hair down the middle and then 2 subsections to create 4 braids. I wet my hair with my water and aloe vera juice mixture. I make sure that I work that in and detangle as I go and add each product. This step is very important to this hairstyle because you don't want your hair to tangle as you're braiding. Next, I add my leave-in conditioner, Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restoring Leave-In Conditioner. And then my oil, just extra virgin olive oil. And then my cream, Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And last but not least, my Eco Styler Gel. I'm very generous with each of my products. I thoroughly detangle as I add each product. And then I take my Eco Styler Gel and generously add this around my edges and brush it down so that it's nice and smooth for each section of my braids. As you can see, I make sure that I detangle as I'm braiding as well. That way my braids stay nice, flat, and neat. Here, I'm going to give you just a closer look of how I am French braiding my hair to the back. I'm not a very good braider, but I wanted to wear my hair in braids for a few days to make the style last longer. So you can see I'm going very slow and making sure that my braids are tight and neat as I go, detangling through each braid. My goal each week is to make sure that I do a hairstyle that can last for at least 7 days. So with this hairstyle, I wore my hair in braids for the first 5 days, and then for the next 5 days, I wore it out. I braid all the way down to the base of my head, and then I finish braiding to the ends and add a very small yellow perm rod to make sure that my ends stay curled for the next few days. And then I just do the very same thing to the next side. I split that section into 2 subsections, braid all the way to the end, and then add my perm rod to the ends of my hair. This style was very quick and easy. It only took me about 20 minutes to braid up my hair and about 10 minutes to take it down. Here's my hair all braided up. Now you may see some white residue, but that's okay. That's just the product and it'll dry up very quickly. I just took my silk scarf, covered my head, and then I wore my hair like this for the next 5 days. This style is awesome because, like I said, you get 2 hairstyles out of 1. 5 days later, here I am taking my hair down. I start off by just coating my hands with olive oil and then taking my hair down. This literally took me about 10 minutes to take down and style. I'm just gently pulling my braids apart and running my fingers through it to make sure that there are no knots or tangles. Now I'm going to use my pick to pick the roots and add some volume. You could wear your hair just like this with the part down the middle, but I usually like a side part. I was just going to wear my hair just like this, but my best friend said that I should add a braid to the side just to give it a little more character. So I just get out a brush and some Eco Styler Gel, smooth down my edges, and braid my hair back up just to the top of my ear, add a bobby pin and a rubber band to secure it, and then finish fluffing and styling my hair. And then I get a toothbrush and some more Eco Styler gel just to style my edges a little. I also decided to add a gold clip right where the rubber band is, just to give it a little more character. And this is the final look. This style turned out extremely shiny and bouncy. I loved it so much, especially because it lasts so long. 5 days in the braids and 5 days just like this. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.